Hello everybody, welcome to this course on 3D animations using Unity Timeline. In this specific course, you will learn 3D animation like a professional using Unity Timeline with this comprehensive guide. After this course, you will be able to animate like a professional. You will be master in Unity Timeline. You can create realistic looking scenes for your animations. You can create 3D animations in Unity without using coding. In this specific course, we will be focused on Unity Timeline. We will learn about activation track, animation track, audio track, and signal tracks of Unity Timeline. And after finalizing this course, you will be able to create your own dynamic animations in Unity. Thank you very much, and let's start our journey from next video.